This 2020 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S double slide, large rear bath is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, slide-out, external shower, skylight, TV, and 58 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2511S double slide, large rear bath is 5,445 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.